In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily prevent Safari from automatically closing tabs. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and if you are noticing that Safari constantly automatically closing your tabs, I got a solution for you. All we have to do is just head over to Settings, then scroll down until we find Safari, and that's where we need to search for Close Tabs option. If we get into it, we'll be able to configure automatically closing tabs. We can set it to 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and also to turn that feature off, we can set it to manually. So in this case, your tabs won't be closed automatically. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.